Next-generation weapons are capable of bypassing any air defense and missile defense systems. Russia's low-observable cruise missile with a nuclear propulsion system can remain airborne for hours. Invisible and deadly, it possesses the power to destroy an entire industrial facility or even a small urban district. This program explores the unique design of the Burevestnik cruise missile and why it has drawn worldwide concern. In Russia, work continues to improve the precision and range of high-accuracy domestic weapon systems. Recently, tests of advanced weapons were conducted at the Kapustin Yar range in the Astrakhan region. Various anti-aircraft gun and machine gun systems, interceptor drones, and other types of weaponry were presented. One of the most discussed developments has been a new weapon mentioned earlier by Vladimir Putin, who emphasized that Russia's latest nuclear deterrence technologies surpass those of any other nation. A Chinese publication suggested that this new weapon could be the strategic Burevestnik missile. According to the report, this nuclear-powered cruise missile has the potential to disrupt the global strategic balance. The Burevestnik is an intercontinental aircraft with folding wings and a nuclear propulsion system. It is launched from a ground-based platform using a solid fuel booster. The name Burevestnik was chosen through an open vote on the Ministry of Defense's website, where it received the most public support. The missile was developed by the Ekaterinburg-based Novator Design Bureau, known for its air defense systems, rockets, and self-propelled launchers. Specialists from the All-Russian Scientific Research Institute of Experimental Physics in the Nizhny Novgorod region also contributed. Although its exact specifications remain classified, it's known that the missile is about 12 meters long at launch and roughly 9 meters in flight. Its fuselage has an elliptical cross-section about 1 meter wide. In size, it is comparable to large subsonic cruise missiles such as the KH-101. The Burevestnik's range is not limited by fuel. Official statements claim its flight range greatly exceeds that of conventional cruise missiles and could theoretically reach 20,000 to 25,000 kilometers, allowing it to be launched from virtually any point in Russia toward targets anywhere in the world. Its mass is significantly greater than that of ordinary cruise missiles due to the nuclear propulsion unit, though the extended range compensates for the added weight. The missile's body is built using stealth technology, with an inverted trapezoidal cross-section that deflects radar signals downward, making detection extremely difficult even at low altitudes of 25 to 50 meters. The warhead may be thermonuclear, making the Burevestnik a weapon of immense destructive power. Another key feature is its ability to remain in the air for extended periods and strike targets from unexpected directions. According to reports, the missile can evade even the most advanced air defense and missile defense systems, flying at low altitudes with a high degree of maneuverability. Footage released by the Russian Ministry of Defense showed its launch from a ground-based inclined launcher, assisted by solid fuel boosters. Modified versions of the Bastion system or even ship or submarine-based launches are reportedly under consideration. During flight, the main nuclear-powered jet engine engages. Its operation is based on the principle of air being drawn in, heated by a nuclear reactor, and then expelled through a supersonic nozzle to produce thrust. The warhead is estimated to have a yield up to 1 megaton. Experts note that this weapon far exceeds the destructive potential of previous designs. Its nuclear engine is theoretically capable of operating for years, meaning the missile could be launched months before striking its target. No other country has previously brought such a project to the stage of flight testing. According to media reports, the Burevestnik has already been launched at least 13 times. In the late 1950s, the United States attempted to develop a similar nuclear-powered cruise missile under the SLAM project, a low-altitude, supersonic nuclear ramjet-powered missile with unlimited range. Its design required high-strength steel to withstand high aerodynamic and thermal loads. However, the project was hindered by the problem of radioactive contamination during flight and the high cost of maintenance compared to solid-fuel ballistic missiles. Consequently, the SLAM project was canceled in 1964. The key difference between Russia's Burevestnik and the American SLAM lies in the propulsion system. The Burevestnik uses a pulsed jet engine rather than a continuous nuclear ramjet. It also employs an air valve to prevent reverse airflow, which would otherwise negate thrust, a component unnecessary in ramjets due to pressure barriers created at supersonic speeds. Thus, the Burevestnik represents a strategic advantage for Russia, significantly strengthening its position in matters of global security. Alongside the Zircon and Sarmat systems, it serves as an important tool in negotiations over the limitation of strategic offensive weapons. The exact date of the missile's deployment remains unknown, though military experts believe it could occur around 2027. Testing of the Burevestnik has been ongoing since 2017 at the Punkovo range on Novaya Zemlya, where nuclear testing infrastructure is located. In August of this year, Russian forces temporarily closed airspace within a 500-kilometer radius along the western coast of Novaya Zemlya, believed to be related to further missile tests. A successful test of a missile with unlimited range demonstrates to the United States and NATO that Russia possesses technology for which no defense currently exists. Strategically, it reinforces Russia's image as a leading missile and nuclear power.